Hi guys, welcome to Statistics My Passion. So we are discussing about the PGDAST assignment question of MSTE 001 Industrial Statistics first paper. So the question is to monitor the manufacturing process of mobile phones. Quality controller randomly selected 100 mobile phones from the production line. Each day over 15 days, the mobile phones were inspected for defectives and the number of defective mobile phones found each day was recorded. The data are given below. Subgroups numbers are here from 1 to 15 and from number of mobile inspected here and the number of defective mobile phones are here. So from this question we have a first question is determine the trial center line and the control limits for the fraction defective using the above data, and the second one is contract the control chart on graph paper and determine that the process is stable or not. If there is any out of control point, determine the rise the central line and the control limits. So this question is basically from the quality control chapter, and if you know the answer, as for your information, so we are providing the complete pay assignments, so kindly contact us at our WhatsApp number 9009368238. So you can message me on this number if you want whole assignments from MST 001 to MSTL 002. Thank you so much for watching this video.